What's up guys, it's your girl Nikita and I'm back with another video. So as you can see from the title, today I have a DIY project that I want to show you guys. So I do already got a pair of shorts that I started the other day. What made me come to the conclusion to do this as a DIY project is because I was thinking to myself, like, how does these jeans look like this? Cut up in the knees, distressed in the thighs, and the jeans be looking so cute. I just went ahead and did my research, found some videos on YouTube and everything. These jeans can easily run you $40, $50, $60, even $70. You can find cheaper jeans and distress them yourself. I'm all for saving and creating, so I'm gonna show you how to create your own. The jeans are actually very simple to make. If you are underage, I'm not telling you to go get knives and use them on your own. You might need adult supervision, so do not, by any means, do not go and get a knife and try to do this on your own. Grab a guardian, a parent, a friend of age, someone that is capable of using a knife. My jeans, I used a pair of scissors, but my shorts, I use a knife. You will need a pair of tweezers. You need a good pair of scissors. This is a steak knife, I believe. Last but not least, this is very time consuming. If you don't have the time, I do not recommend you do this project whatsoever. This DIY project is not for you. Without further ado, let me go ahead and show you guys my jeans. Alright you guys, so these are the jeans that I made the other day. As you can see, I got some string hanging off the sides. I didn't want my thighs just completely out, so I left my string. This is how they look. Again, the middle section I did with the scissors, and top and bottom, and the sides I did with the knife. So this is what they look like. I did distress this pocket with the scissors as well, and I'm gonna do the other pocket. Alright you guys, so I switched into the shorts just so you can see kind of what they look like on me. And I started this side at first, but then I thought about making a video for you guys, so this is what it looks like just getting started. So all you're really gonna do is just keep scraping and cutting, and until you see like the thread start to show, then that's when you're gonna use the tweezer things. I'm just scraping up this whole section until I see the white thread start to show. You guys can see some of that thread I'm starting to see right here. So that is when I'm gonna start taking my tweezers and plucking some of this area with the white thread showing. Separate the thread to make it easier, and then you just pull it out with the tweezers until you get the white thread separated. And once it's separated, you move on to the next piece and repeat your steps. So now that I have the patch open and visible, what we're going to do now is take the scissors, and I have the shorts on because it's a lot easier to work with, and I'm just gonna clip any extra string away that I don't want, because there's a lot of thread on this side compared to this side. As you guys can see, this side is a lot smoother than this, and I'm not trying to get it to look like identical to this side. I'm just clipping away as much as I can, and then I'm gonna use my lint roller. So here's my finished shorts. I think they look great. Alright you guys, so that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. And if you would like to see me make some more distressed shorts, jeans, or a jacket, or anything, just leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.